Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is from Facetory. And Facetory is I have some notes here. I always forget the prices of everything, so I'll just tell you a little bit about it. They are a Korean sheet mask monthly subscription. They offer two different plans. One, which I get, is the Forever Fresh kit, and you get 4 masks. And it is $8.90 a month. And then they have the 7 Luxe, which you receive 7 masks, and that's $19.90 a month. And, you know, there really isn't much else to say about, you know, the company. They just, I've been getting this subscription probably since fall of last year, and I absolutely love any kind of skincare. So Facetory does right by me every month. There's never a mask that I don't like, so a sheet mask is always good. And this is Super Fruits for a Super You, and then that actually is a little postcard, which is very, very nice. And you always get a card, which in my case is the April Forever Fresh. You can see that. And it tells you about all 4 of the masks you get. And obviously if you get the other 7 Luxe, your card will have all 7 on them. So the first one that I'm going to show you is, and this is from Facetory itself, the brand. And this is Let's Talk Vitality. And this is a firming mask. And this has a value of $4. So that's nice. I love masks. And then this next one here is from Helloganic, and this is a day water mask, and this has a value of $3. That's pretty nice. Ingredients of coconut, rose water, and this is a eucalyptus sheet, so this is very hydrating. Let me see what the other one, if there was any. And this one, the Vitality Mask, which is a firming mask, has pomegranate in it. I always like to look at that stuff. And the next one is from the company is 24 Miracle. This is the mask. And this is a vitamin facial mask with whole lemon. Okay. And this is a value of $3. And, you know, a lot of this you'll see is, you know, is in Korean, so it's kind of hard. That's why I like these cards, because it gives you all that information, and then you don't have to worry that you can't read, you know, what it is. And this is from a company called Moksha, and this is Deer Avocado Mask. And this has a value of $3. And this is Mango Banana Lavender. And I will show close-up pictures of each mask at the end, like I usually do, this end of the card, so that you can see, you know, they give little tips and, you know, what the ingredients do to help you. You know, some have shea butter and what the rose does and all that other stuff. So that they always give lots of information on their card, which I absolutely love. And that is the video for today. And this is from Facetory, and this is their April 2019 subscription bag. And thanks so much for watching. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of Facetory, if this is something that you would subscribe to, either getting the 4 masks or the 7 masks each month. I think you can never have too much skincare, and I love collecting the masks. I share them with my sister, my niece. I give them to friends. My mom, I use them all the time, and then I always still have a huge bundle of them to include in giveaways. And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye now.